My name is Jeff Rooks. I'm the Director of Buildings and Grounds here at Affton School District and have been since 2019. I've worked in the school district industry for now nearly 24 years. At a fellow school district, we did a very large geothermal project, and then here at Affton School District, we have been able to now expand our solar array up to 300 kilowatts. Why the school district decided to go in the direction of solar energy is because it's that next level in energy management. Solar is another way for us to reduce our environmental footprint and help the district save money on its energy costs. When we're looking for solar, we're looking for a company that has a history in the solar industry, a system that is user-friendly. This is something that we want to invest into, but we almost don't want anybody to see, especially when it comes to the placement of the inverters and the placement of the solar array. Ameren UE, who handles our electric here in St. Louis, has a number of rebates and incentives along with federal incentives to help install our solar array. Just this past year, with the help of our solar array, we have been able to reduce our energy consumption by 52%, and that has been a monetary savings of about $350,000 a year on our utilities. Some of the things that we were hoping and expecting the solar array to help us out with on our energy consumption have met those goals, and a couple that have surprised us were a solar array at one of our buildings. We saw last year a negative electric bill for one of the months, which was something that we didn't expect at all and was a very pleasant surprise for us. One of the things that surprised me about our solar array is that it has exceeded its expected return on investment. Advice I would give to other school districts is to make improvements on your energy management in any way you possibly can, whether that be through lighting, through your HVAC systems, through your windows, doors, and building envelope, and roof systems, and include solar. It's just something that is out there that can help, one, reduce your energy and increase your savings on your utilities.